Nice. 10 more minutes and I get to clock out.
Hey, can you stay an extra 2 hours for work? I really need you right here. It's just, there's a lot of work to be done. We're not done here, you know?
Well, that sounds like a personal problem. Yeah, sure, boss. I'll stay. Don't worry. I got it. I got it.
Okay, well, more money in your pocket, right? With all these hours you're gonna be putting in.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, more money in my pocket. Just most of it goes to taxes. I don't even see half of it.